Hi everyone! Today we're going to be talking about American culture. Specifically, we're going to talk about convenience stores. Convenience stores are small retail shops that sell a wide variety of goods. They sell everything from food and drinks to snacks, accessories, car maintenance tools, and other things. The United States has over 150,000 convenience stores around the country. The largest is the 7-Eleven franchise. America has a huge driving culture, and it's very normal to use your car to commute everywhere. This means that gas stations are typically open for long periods of time. In many cases, gas stations are open 24/7, meaning 24 hours, 7 days a week. This makes things very convenient for late-night drivers. Convenience stores in the US might be a little bit different than what you're used to in your home country. Typically, convenience stores are paired with gasoline stands, so it's pretty rare to find a convenience store that doesn't have a gas pump attached. Because of this, convenience stores are typically found on major highways or on the side of really big roads. It's very uncommon to see convenience stores in neighborhoods or on small alleys and so on. So for this reason, it's pretty uncommon to see people walking to visit a convenience store. The best way to get to a convenience store is actually to drive there. The main source of revenue for most convenience stores in the United States is gasoline. About 96% of total revenue from most convenience stores in the States comes from gasoline sales, while the rest of the revenue comes from sales of goods inside the stores. Let's take a look at some of the foods you can expect to find in a typical American convenience store. First of all, you can find a huge selection of snacks, foods, and various drinks. People spent about $25 million in 2017 on food inside convenience stores. But most of the food you find in convenience stores isn't that nutritious. It's typically stuff that's easy to eat while you're driving, and salads aren't so easy to eat behind the wheel. But a bag of potato chips and an energy drink are pretty convenient for a late-night drive. While they might not be the healthiest options, they are pretty tasty from time to time. Some classic American convenience store foods that you can always find are Slim Jim sausages, pre-made cakes and pastries, bags of potato chips, and any candy bar you might want. There are some things you can find only in convenience stores in America. This includes local favorites like boiled peanuts in the southern parts of America, or freshly delivered Krispy Kreme donuts. Each store also has its own specialty items. 7-Eleven has its famous cold drink, the Slurpee, and the chain Wawa is known for its coffee. While hot foods are available at convenience stores in the USA, they don't have the best reputation for being great on flavor. It's pretty common to find a selection of hot dogs or microwave sandwiches that customers heat up themselves and eat on the go. But the problem with these is that most of these items are not actually fresh. They've been sitting out under a heat lamp all day, so they might not have the best flavor and they might not be of the best quality. There's usually no place to sit down and eat inside of a convenience store, as most of the things sold in convenience stores are to take along with you as you drive. There are other sections you can expect to find in American convenience stores. These include car supplies, accessories, lotto cards, and the ice cream freezer. Convenience stores in America accept cash and credit cards, and in many cases, the pump itself will take your credit card payment. If you want to go inside the convenience store to make your payment, however, you need to tell the clerk in the convenience store the number of your pump and how much you'd like to pay. For example, $20 on pump number 4 means you'd like to pay $20 for the gasoline at pump number 4. So you can use cash to do this, or you can use a credit card. So, how do American convenience stores compare to convenience stores in your country? What's similar? What's different? And is there anything else you'd like to know about American culture? Please let us know in the comments. Okay, if you liked this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Also, if you want to learn more about American culture, please be sure to visit our website at EnglishClass101.com. You can sign up for your free lifetime account and start learning today. Thanks very much for watching this video, and we'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. I'm so good at folding. Oh my God. I'm going to the Folding Awards, Tokyo Folding Awards 2019. So good. Slide in that time to time.
Yeah, I know.
Encouraging healthy choices.